Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Some of you know, if you've been following me for a while, and I mean, for years, that from the first day that the world caught wind of the Optimus Maximus keyboard that I was in, I was sold. I would, sell anything, do anything, just to have an Optimus Maximus keyboard. And it came to pass that I had issues 2 years in a row getting a hold of this keyboard. Well, not this one, but I mean the Optimus Maximus keyboard in general. And had issues ordering direct. So when I started to become fast friends with the folks at ThinkGeek, thank you, Willie, I noticed that they happened to be carrying the Optimus Maximus keyboard. And so I got the Optimus Maximus keyboard through them. And you may be thinking, Chris, why on earth would anybody want to invest $1,600 of their hard-earned money on a keyboard? It's not just any old keyboard, mind you. Each one of these keys on the keyboard is capable of displaying an image, even an animated image at 10 frames per second, 48 by 48 pixel resolution, small OLED screens in each one of the keys. Windows software, Mac software, 2 USB ports, good for about 20 million keystrokes, which according to my typing should be about 3 weeks worth of juice. Multilingual support, by the way. Every key replaceable. 160-degree viewing angle. Pretty much unlimited customization. So, yeah. Oh, did I mention it also has an SD card slot in here and an ambient light sensor. Shock resistant. It's got 103 plus 10 extra keys. You guys, nothing? Okay, fine. It's also got a Kensington lock, because you'd hate to have someone walk away with this baby. Let's see here. Brightness control. Scratch resistant. Reinforced plastic. About approximately 20,000 hours. OLED lifetime. This is the Optimus Maximus, which I'm going to recommend you get specifically through thinkgeek.com. And if you're wondering why I would say that, if you caught the video that I recorded about 6 or 7 months ago, you'd know, because I had issues ordering it directly from the manufacturer. So I'm happy to have this here today. Very happy. Extremely happy. I've had it sitting on my desk all day, and some people have stayed up all night to wait for me to unbox it. And we're pushing. We're gonna push. I bet you anything during the course of this video recording, we're gonna hit 1,000 viewers at one time. Like, we've got about 920 right now. Yeah, I didn't think this was ever going to happen. This is out of every piece of hardware that I've ever lusted after as a geek, this is like the one. This is it. This, I don't know why. It's just cool, I mean, I'm going to be able to have my own buttons and actually, put pictures in the button and press the button and have it do whatever I want. Come on. That's just cool. I will be bringing it to my conference, Gnome Decks, and I may be convinced to take it with me around town to various events. Now, some people have noted that the Optimus Maximus is not a great keyboard in terms of how it feels. Of course, that's kind of a subjective opinion. However, I plan on using it, and if anything, as a secondary keyboard. It most likely will be sitting right here on my desk, right up here where I can see it. Maybe in the keyboard tray. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet where it's going to go. but it is going to go somewhere here. And I know everybody is going to be asking about it just about every day until they no longer see it on my desk, which is going to be never, because this thing is just too cool. It's just too awesome. It's just, I almost don't want to open it, you know? In fact, I think I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to open it. I think we can wait a little while. What, do it now? Fine. Oh, God. Oh, I can't believe this is happening. Why would I be so happy about this? I don't know why.
You can't wait.
I know, but I don't know why. It's seriously, I mean, I've you know, liked hardware for a long time, but there's just something about this one that just, I don't know, just seems to be that, I know it's crazy. Some people are saying, well, what if Apple comes out with one, or Microsoft, or whatever? I'm like, these things are expensive to make, I guarantee. So I'd like to see the price come down, but I'm almost sure this is kind of like the keyboard of the future, programmable and whatnot. Having issues popping out the second cardboard piece here. Oh. All right. Here we go. I guess. Get the new cardboard smell. Okay. Wow, a keyboard with a power supply. The thing's got a power supply. Dang. Of course, you know, you got to power the keyboard. All right. Now that I've woken up my Mac over here, and even printed there, it says Optimus power supply. Look at that. All right. Dang. Oh, that's for, you know, European. Okay, there we go. Oh my God. Never in my life. Wicket, do you want to sit up here? Do you want to come and see the keyboard? Come here. Come here. You can sit on my lap. It's okay. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. Dang. Look at this thing. Woo! And yes, I will have to zoom it in after I get everything going. Oh, here's the USB. And of course, we'll connect it to Wiki. Type B, looks like. Wicket does not look that impressed. He's been watching it all. You've been eyeballing it. You've been eye-humping my keyboard, haven't you? I can try plugging this directly into the hub and it should be fine. The microfiber cloth. Because apparently a macro fiber would just be too much. Look at that. I know. I'm getting to it. Oh, look at that. They give you some extra keys and the keyboard replacement tool. The user manual, of course. In 3 different languages. I only need 1. Plug in. Have fun. Alright. Woo! Ho, ho. This is pretty heavy. It's really heavy. Reminds me of the, you remember the IBM clackers? We were talking about that on a podcast the other week, weren't we? Really heavy. Alright, I think I can take this off the desk now. In fact, I know I saw the spec here on the side. Give me a second. I will find the spec. 537 millimeters. Depth, that's a width. Depth, 173 millimeters. Height, 38 millimeters. Not seeing a specific weight offhand. It is pretty weighty, though. See if it's in the... No, it's not in the back of the manual. Someone else could look it up. I'm sure the specs are on the website. Alright. All my friends are IMing me. They're saying, dude, just open it already. Come on, man. I've waited like... God knows how... Oh, it's beautiful. I feel like Renee Belloc at the end of Raiders of the Lost Ark. It's beautiful! Like, right before he, like, blows up, you know, and like, melts and everything. Wasn't that his name? It's been forever since I've seen it. Dang. This is a... Dude, this is seriously, this is as tall as an iMac. Seriously, it's a tall keyboard. It's pretty nice, I tell you. Just looking at it, even with it not being turned on, I am very turned on. And what does that say about me? What does that say? Dude, wouldn't it be awesome if Apple made something like this? Look at that. Each one of those keys is a separate screen. Oh, these things are heavy. The space bar, the whole thing isn't a screen, but the keys, they don't feel awesome. But that's not the point, you know? It's just not the point. And it'll fit really well, I think, like right here. Of course, I am going to have to string power back. There we go. There's the Kensington port. SD card slot. Actually, the SD card slot's going to be nice. Because what is that? Oh, I wonder if it's SDHC. Probably not. That's okay. That's not the point. It's not the frickin' point, Chris. The whole frickin' point is that it's the Optimus Maximus. Now, you guys have to be patient while I string everything together, getting it plugged in here behind my desk. Hope to God I don't blow a fuse. I think I'm about to blow a nut, though. Let me tell you. Dang. It's exciting. That's a compliment, by the way. You know, I've unboxed quite a few products here at the website, live.pirillo.com. People love it when I set a product on I can set anything on my desk for, like, hours. And people will just hang out until I unbox it. Isn't that true? Isn't that crazy? All right, people, give me a minute. I'm going to flip back these monitors. Days like this, it's good to be a geek. Let me tell you. All right. There's that. You knew it had to be wired. There's no way they were going to pull this off wireless. No way. It'd go through, like, batteries every 5 minutes. So, despite that shortcoming, what we're going to do is, let's keep that one there. At least it's black. It matches everything. It's not like they made it like purple. God, that would just be stupid. Stupid. How am I going to do this? I am actually going to have to... Woo! Okay, guys. Kat, why don't you regale them with a story as I manage to get everything plugged in here, or at least try to without killing myself. Maybe. Kat, you still there? Kat?
You want me to tell a story? I don't know any stories.
What? I don't have an open outlet. Yeah, almost got it. Almost there. Almost there.
No, Wicket, don't throw up on the new keyboard.
No. Ow. 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 Okay, I'm gonna have to, like, hope for the best that I've got an open port there somewhere.
Don't unplug the black cord.
It's not the black cord that... Ow! Oh! I think I just made myself sterile. I'm gonna have to, like, go around to the other side here. This is what happens during a random unboxing. Although I have to tell you, it's quite a thrill to know that... How many? We're pushing 1,000 here. Quite a thrill to know that 1,000 people are
We have 957 viewers right now.
I may wait to plug it in. I should wait to plug it in,
We
huh?
have 513 in chat.
I should wait to plug it in until we have like 1,000. You think?
Yeah, we could do a second video.
Alright, that is done. Let's reset it. Alright, so I don't have it plugged in yet. I'm about to, though. Not bad, not bad. Oh. This, Hey, Wiki. What the hell are you eating? Alright. What do we have here? Alright, I can do this. I'm over here, like, plugging things in. Or trying to, at least. Ow. I keep screaming in pain because I ripped my toenail earlier when I was trying to help Pixie not puke all over the carpet. How the hell am I going to get that in there? Houston, we have a problem. It's not a huge problem. Certainly.
Problems aren't a good thing.
No, I can't reach an open outlet very easily.
So, am I gonna have to eat sushi next week?
Yes. We're going out for sushi, Cat.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
Here's the problem.
Do they serve cheeseburgers in case I don't like it?
They do not serve cheeseburgers at the good sushi joints. I'm having a problem here. I need, like...
The lights are flickering everywhere.
Are
I
they?
noticed.
Are they? Really?
Yeah.
Really?
On the keyboard, they were going up and down, up and down, up and down.
They are! They're on! Oh, shit.
It was cool. It looked like Cooking Orion.
Sorry for cussing, everybody. There, it's on, but the problem is the adapter's not pushed all the way in yet. Okay, now it is. Okay. Can you see it on now? Is it on? We good? How are we looking? Okay.
I think. I can't tell.
You said you could see them. Alright. I think I got it.
No, 4-1 said he could see him.
4-1s, you said you could see them? Oh, jeez. Wow.
Yeah, brother, that was awesome.
Can you see, you can see it from there? How the heck could you see it from there?
I don't know. I just saw them twinkling. They were going up and down the keyboard.
Alright, well, let me plug her in. Pretty good.
And it was so sexy.
Alright, here we go. Okay, Pixie, you're going to have to move, baby. Give me a second. I am now going to take the remote control and zoom in. And hopefully you will see what I see.
Oh, that's so nice.
These are not printed. Oh, look at that. When I plugged it in to USB, it recognized that I was on the Mac. And it gave me my option, control, and command, including, look at that. They even imprinted it with the symbols, too. See, when it wasn't plugged in to the computer, I'm going to unplug USB.
That thing is awesome.
I'm unplugging USB right now. So I'm going to see if, actually, what I'll do is this. I'll unplug power and USB. Woo! Uh-oh. Well, it's broken now. Hopefully it's built a little better than that. Let's see if it There we go. She's booting up. And hang on. She's booting up. She's like, this is probably what you saw for ones. Hopefully that's not copyrighted music. Wow, this is beautiful. Like, even the function keys here, so it defaults to a Windows keyboard, including a Windows key down here. Shakespeare on the space bar. And then see, when you're able to press the keys, the OLEDs are not actually on the keys, they're underneath it. It looks like I have play control, including a home, favorites, search, volume, play, and stop. So now, again, I'm going to plug in the USB here. It's in the top. This is where right next to the power. I can. Of course, it's got to go in the right way. Now watch. We should see the Windows key. Control key should stay the same. Alt key should go to Command. These will disappear, I think. At least that's what happened the last time when I plugged it in. If it recognizes it the same way, wouldn't I have every reason to believe it will. Give me a second here. Let me turn on my screen behind it. See what happens. Keyboard. Identify this keyboard. Click continue. Continue. Press the key immediately to the right of the... I'm reading the instructions here on my screen. Immediately the right of the shift key on the left side of the keyboard. Your keyboard cannot be identified... Well, it was identified before. Oh, this is... I know why. Because, let me start it again.
Way to go, you broke it.
No, I didn't break it. The problem is the keyboard wizard showed up before. And so I didn't have a chance to respond to it quick enough, so now I've got to step through it again, I think. Because it worked before. You guys saw it kind of get plugged in. So let me try stepping through the, if I can, the software again, if it'll let me. It looked like it...
Oh, boy.
It launched the Maximus driver. Okay, let me close the Maximus driver. It's a little bit of troubleshooting here. Maybe.
Hey, Buana.
Hey, Buana. Just troubleshooting the Maximus key. I probably dorked it up. Watch me kernel panic. Give me a second. I'm going to quit the Maximus driver. I'm going to unplug the keyboard. Start it again. Maximus driver. Maybe. There we go. Force quit. Well, the Maximus driver definitely does not want to quit. So let's try opening up the activity monitor. I think that pulled up on the second screen. And where are you? Yeah. I should have just left it plugged in, huh? Alright.
Looks pretty nice, though.
Oh, it is. It is nice. No doubt about it. Problem is I screwed up the installation sequence. That's totally my fault. Totally my fault. I know that. I can't blame them. Of course, doesn't help that I can't get it to recognize again. Oh well, it does work, kinda. I just think that I need to kind of troubleshoot with it more. You guys saw it, you did see it, and so now I'm going to zoom out again and continue to play with it. I'm gonna go wide here.
I saw it.
Yeah, everybody saw it, so it's not like it didn't work. It's just that I screwed up the installation. I did. Pebcac. Literally. Problem exists between keyboard and chair. So, I guess that's about the size of it for now. I've unboxed it successfully. Tried to go through the setup procedure unsuccessfully, but that's totally my fault. You guys saw it. You saw it. I had proof. So now you're really going to have fun. Troubleshooting hardware. That's kind of my life. My email address is chris@pirillo.com. Maybe you have one of these. Maybe you've always wanted one of these. Maybe it's on your list, in which case I have to thank ThinkGeek again for carrying a supply of these things. And as a matter of fact, last night at like 2:30 in the morning, someone emailed me and asked me specifically about the Optimus Maximus. Had no idea that I had it coming, and so boy did I have it coming. Because he saw the video that I had done early on when I first put it on order, so I was happy that ThinkGeek decided to carry it. Anyway, if you'd like to stop by the chat room, we're typically talking tech, hardware, software. You never really know what's going to happen. Sometimes something shows up on my desk and I eventually unbox it. Don't know if everything's as exciting as this. I wish I wouldn't have screwed up the installation procedure now, but what are you going to do? Anyway, the place where you can stop by, join the chat room, is also the place where you can find the live video feed. You never really know what's going to happen. Typically talking tech 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at live.pirillo.com. We'll see you later.